Welcome back to Chapter by Chapter, where we uncover the secrets of belief, change, and personal growth. Today, we dive deep into the law that says, you do not get to choose what you believe. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to transform your beliefs and those of others. Imagine a loved one held at gunpoint, and you're told to believe the impossible. Would you? The truth is, you can't choose your beliefs. Most people think they can, but deep down they know it's not that simple. Our brains are wired to preserve energy and predict based on patterns. Beliefs help us do that efficiently. Stubborn beliefs are a survival tool, passed down through generations. But can they change? Seeing is believing, they say. Flat. Earthers won't change their views with a NASA picture. But what if they saw it for themselves? Learn how first. Hand experiences can reshape beliefs. Authority figures hold immense power in shaping beliefs. Discover how trust in experts can lead to belief change. We'll also reveal why people change their beliefs when it's good news. How do you change stubborn beliefs? The secret is not to fight them. Instead, implant new evidence emphasizing its positive impact. Learn how asking detailed questions can weaken convictions. Limiting beliefs hold us back. But the key to change is stepping out of your comfort zone. Find out why challenging your own limiting beliefs with new experiences is the ultimate path to transformation. So, there you have it. The law that says you do not get to choose what you believe. Beliefs are stubborn, but they're not set in stone. Change is possible with the right approach. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about personal growth and belief transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for joining us on Chapter by Chapter, where we empower you to become the best version of yourself. See you in the next video.